Hello friends, how are you? In this video I will tell you how to get rid of cockroaches, lizards at home in just 2 minutes. We need 3 ingredients for this remedy. So friends, let's start the video. We will take a bowl and the first ingredient is baking soda. Baking soda is so important and most effective to kill the rats, to kill the cockroaches at home. The next ingredient is cold drink. We will add some cold drink in it. After adding the cold drink, we will mix it well. The third ingredient is lemon. Lemon cut it into 2 pieces. We will put some lemon juice in it. After adding 3 ingredients, we will mix it very well. Friends, we will take a spray bottle and all the mixture add in the spray bottle. So friends, our home remedy is ready to kill the cockroaches and lizards at home in just 2 minutes. So friends, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon to watching more videos. If you have any question about this video, you ask me in comment section. Thank you so much.